Ultra phones in 2025 aren't just spec monsters, they're creative tools. AI companions and pocket-sized powerhouses. Xiaomi's chasing DSLR-level photography, Vivo's going full Zeiss cinema mode, and Samsung's flexing Galaxy AI like it's the future of productivity. I've tested all three in real-world chaos: photo shoots, editing, gaming, and daily grind. Let's break down the best Ultra phones of the year, hands-on, no fluff. In 2025, the Ultra phone category is stacked with powerhouse devices that push boundaries in photography, performance, and smart features. Leading the pack is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, a camera-centric flagship that's practically a DSLR in your pocket. With a massive 1-inch main sensor, Leica-tuned optics, and a 200-megapixel periscope lens, it's built for creators who want full manual control, raw shooting, and cinematic video straight from their phone. The build is premium, the display is stunning, and the battery life holds up even under heavy use. Xiaomi software has matured too, offering a clean, customizable experience that doesn't get in the way of the hardware. Then there's the vivo X200 Ultra 5G, which takes mobile photography even further with Zeiss optics and a unique 200mm telephoto lens. It's designed for serious shooters, with features like log video, film simulation profiles, and a 35mm equivalent main sensor that delivers natural depth and sharpness. The phone handles daily tasks smoothly, and Origin OS feels snappy and refined. Battery life is solid, and the camera bump, while noticeable, is justified by the sheer imaging power packed inside. If you're into mobile filmmaking or street photography, this one's a creative tool disguised as a smartphone. Rounding out the trio is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the most balanced and versatile of the bunch. It's got a 200-megapixel camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and a gorgeous AMOLED display. But what really sets it apart is Galaxy AI. Features like circle to search, AI photo editing, and audio eraser make everyday tasks smarter and more intuitive. The S Pen is still here, perfect for note-taking and precision edits, and One UI 7 is polished, feature-rich, and deeply integrated across Samsung's ecosystem. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing on the go, the S25 Ultra delivers consistent performance with a touch of futuristic flair. Each of these Ultra phones brings something unique to the table. Xiaomi for camera mastery, Vivo for creative control, and Samsung for smart versatility. Choosing the right one depends on what you value most: raw imaging power, filmmaking flexibility, or seamless AI-driven productivity.